Remove the battery pack and secure the battery compartment cover in the open position. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the seat assembly. Pull the seat assembly back and remove it. Peel off the front right guard sticker. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 7 screws securing the upper right guard. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 6 screws securing the bottom cover. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the storage compartment lid. Close the hinge and use a 10mm socket and a PH2 bit to remove the 16 screws around the storage compartment. Peel off the front left guard sticker and remove the upper left guard, similar steps to removing the right guard. Remove the left outer cover and use a PH2 and M10 socket to remove the 9 screws securing the left inner cover. Remove the cable tie and storage compartment. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 3 screws and 1 plug securing the motor cable. Use a M10 socket to remove the 4 screws securing the mudguard. Use a M10 socket to remove the 2 screws securing the rear brake lower pump cylinder. Use a M10 and M21 socket to remove the 4 screws securing the chain tensioners, 1 on each side. Remove the 3 push mount cable ties. Remove the rear wheel. Replace with a new rear wheel tire and mount it on the rear fork. Mount the storage compartment holder on the protrusion. Secure the chain tensioners on both sides. The torque on the M21 nut to be set between 70 to 80 Newton meters and the torque on the M10 nut to be set between 7 to 12 Newton meters. Mount the rear brake lower pump cylinder with the 2 screws torque to be between 20 to 30 Newton meters. Route the motor cable and tighten the power cables with the 3 screws. Green cable in the front, then blue, then yellow. Tighten the mudguard with 4 screws. Set torque to 8 to 10 Newton meters. Mount the storage compartment in place, ensuring the seat cushion lock is in the middle of the bidirectional lock plate. Check the lock for proper function. Tighten the storage compartment with 16 screws. Set bolt torque to 6 to 7 Newton meters, screw bolt to 2 to 3 Newton meters. Mount the cable tie and tighten with the screw. Tighten the compartment lid with 2 screws. Ensure the 4 clamp plates are properly mounted on the left inner cover. Tighten the 10 screws to secure the left inner cover. Tighten the 6 screws to secure the bottom cover. Torque to 8 to 10 Newton meters. Tighten the 7 screws to secure the upper left guard and follow the same steps to secure the upper right guard. Reapply or replace the stickers. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the seat assembly. Close the battery compartment cover. Once the bike is fully installed, lift the rear wheel and fold the kickstand. Start the bike and press ready button. Twist the throttle to a full speed and hold for 1 second to perform the self-learning. Release the throttle and wait until the bike comes to a full stop.